Hi, my name is Cesar Hernandez. Stage 1. These two good summer falls. Wiki had hit the summer falls it started Tiri and Wiki. With my wife Richard, my dear and mother-in-law, we started in a family house. It is very economical. It was by 400,000 pesos. We like it because Jerry with many trees, animals and crystal clear water, and, and calm, black and Monday because he worked on Tuesday is 50 hours. Stage doors. The water summer falls. Summer's water in sunny. In the morning it is generally warm and on the light cloudy, but unknown it is total sunny until the afternoon. Recommendation. It is recommended that you use sunscreen when exposed to the sun and burning healthy. It is recommended that you always stay hydrated because the water are very strong. Stay stressed. What you should do? You must, you must set inside room and events if you are going to study. You must schedule what you are going to do ceremony. Why you should do. You should not neglect family because it is very dangerous. You should not carry much luggage. Thank you.